Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. When venturing into the wilderness, safety should always come first. The best first aid kit for camping equips you to handle injuries, scrapes, and emergencies efficiently, giving peace of mind while exploring trails, lakes, and remote outdoor adventures. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Vriexsd Office First Aid Kit. The Vriexsd Office First Aid Kit is a thoughtfully assembled emergency solution designed to keep homes, offices, classrooms, and vehicles prepared for unexpected situations. With a total of 400 essential first aid supplies, this kit covers everything from minor scrapes and cuts to burns and more urgent injuries. Inside, you'll find adhesive bandages, gauze pads, a tourniquet, emergency blanket, wound care supplies, and even a first aid guide to help you respond quickly and confidently. Whether it's a small workplace accident or a sudden outdoor mishap, this kit ensures you're equipped to act fast. One of the standout features is its smart, divided compartment design. Each section is clearly labeled and separated into independent compartments, allowing you to locate items immediately without rummaging through a cluttered bag. In emergencies, every second matters, and this organized layout can make a real difference. The orderly structure also helps users restock and maintain the kit efficiently.
Number 2. SurviveX Travel First Aid Kit. The SurviveX Travel First Aid Kit is built for those who refuse to leave safety to chance. Whether you're at home, driving long distances, flying abroad, or exploring remote trails, this kit delivers comprehensive preparedness in a compact, travel-friendly format. Unlike basic first aid kits that focus only on minor cuts and scrapes, SurviveX takes emergency readiness a step further by including professional-grade supplies selected by first aid experts. What truly sets this kit apart is its complete preparedness system. It's designed to handle a wide range of scenarios, from minor injuries to more serious conditions such as sprains, fractures, burns, insect bites, fever, and even hypothermia. The inclusion of innovative zip-style wound closure devices is particularly impressive. These non-invasive laceration closures offer a stitch-free solution for treating cuts quickly and with less scarring, making them a practical addition for outdoor adventurers or families on the go. Organization is another highlight. Supplies are arranged into clearly labeled, color-coded compartments categorized by function: wounds, hygiene, tools, and personal care. This structured system eliminates confusion and ensures rapid access to the right item during high-stress moments.
Number 3. Poygik Vehicle First Aid Kit. The Poygik Vehicle First Aid Kit is a comprehensive 420-piece emergency solution tailored for drivers, outdoor enthusiasts, and families seeking reliable preparedness. Designed with practicality and durability in mind, this kit includes an extensive range of professional-grade supplies, such as adhesive bandages, wound closure strips, moleskin, abdominal pads, gauze rolls, vinyl gloves, scissors, tweezers, crepe bandages, and more. It provides coverage for everything from minor injuries to more demanding roadside emergencies. One of its most valuable features is the clearly labeled compartment system. Each section is organized with easy-to-read labels, ensuring that users can quickly locate the necessary supplies during stressful situations. The structured interior promotes efficient response, allowing even individuals with minimal first aid experience to act with confidence. The intuitive design reduces confusion and ensures that critical items are always within reach. Durability is another standout quality. Constructed from premium 1680D polyester fiber, the bag is tear-resistant and waterproof.
Number 4. THRIAID Outdoor First Aid Kit. The THRIAID Outdoor First Aid Kit stands out as a well-equipped and highly portable emergency solution designed for both everyday and outdoor use. With an impressive 430 professional-grade medical items, this kit meets international medical standards and is 100% latex-free, making it suitable for individuals with latex sensitivities. It provides comprehensive coverage for cuts, burns, abrasions, sprains, and other common injuries encountered at home, in the office, or during outdoor adventures. Its organized interior is a major advantage. The kit features labeled pockets and a dedicated bandage section, ensuring easy access to essential supplies when time is critical. The thoughtful layout prevents clutter and allows users to locate items quickly without unnecessary stress. In emergency situations, having clearly designated compartments can significantly improve response time and efficiency. Durability is equally impressive. Made from waterproof, tear-resistant premium polyester fabric, the bag is built to withstand tough outdoor conditions.
Number 5. Gevoke Hiking First Aid Kit. The Gevoke Hiking First Aid Kit is a large-capacity emergency solution designed for families, businesses, and outdoor enthusiasts who value thorough preparedness. With an impressive 500 professional-grade first aid supplies, this kit provides extensive coverage for minor injuries such as cuts, burns, abrasions, and scalds, making it suitable for everything from sporting events to camping trips and workplace safety. A key strength of this kit is its intelligent, compartmentalized design. Each section is clearly labeled, allowing users to quickly identify and retrieve necessary items during emergencies. The organized layout not only saves time, but also reduces panic in high-pressure situations. Whether at home or on the road, the clearly structured interior ensures that anyone, from adults to older children, can navigate the supplies with ease. Constructed from durable 1680D tear-resistant polyester with waterproof capability, the bag is built to handle both everyday storage and rugged outdoor environments. Having a reliable first aid kit for camping ensures you're prepared for unexpected scrapes, bites, or minor injuries. With essential supplies at hand, you can focus on enjoying the outdoors, hiking, and bonding with friends or family, knowing safety and quick care are always within reach.